Horses out. We have Cardong Kaliwa. Pass to begin. Moving up Aria. Sarin Inherent. DG comes next. Mondestar. Magnificent. Petrus Blanc. Red Soldier. Moving up Florida Tiger and Seketa is the early trailer. DJ Baya Bralenka. Down on the inside is Mondestar. Cardong Kaliwa. Now moving up to take third. Alongside fourth comes Inherent. Magnificence is racing in Pipa. Petrus Blanc, then comes Florida Tiger, Red Soldier and Seketa. They swing into the back. And it's still entry number 7, Mondestar. And on the outside is DJ. Inherent is racing in third. Cardong Kaliwa still in fourth. Magnificence moving up on the outside, Petrus Blanca. Then followed by Florida Tiger, Red Soldier and Seketa. And it's still Mondestar. DJ is on the outside, fighting out for the lead. Inherent is racing in third. Cardong Kaliwa in fourth. Moving up Petrus Blanc, Red Soldier together by the release Florida Tiger, Magnificence and Seketa. DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Inherent now moving up to take second as they come down at the last 200. DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Inherent in second, moving up on the outside. Petrus Blanc together with Red Soldier. Last 75 meters, we have DJ by about 6 lengths. And finally, DG second. Inherent, then comes Petrus Blanc, number 1. Red Soldier, Seketa.
8-6.